that are gentle on your skin, and I truly believe things that are gentle on the planet are really actually good for you.
Nivea Sun मेरी लाइफ में काफी पहले से है.
तू sunscreen पहनता है? You are not a boy.
I really like the brand Nivea because it's one of the trusted brands.
You're naturally so. Your tan is awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the very lovely Sheetal Malar. And now I'd like to invite on stage, he was the first ever winner of the MTV Roadies, and now he's quite an actor, quite a pursued actor, with lots of great films up his sleeve. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome Ranvijay Singha.
Good afternoon, everyone. It started pretty early because, you know, there was a time when we were all wanting to impress girls in colleges. I used to go on bikes, and all the t-shirts these days have different sleeve lengths. Because of the tan, I used to be called a shade card. Because it was this mera wala brown, yeah, ye wala. Because I was tan. Because when you're going on a bike, you don't realize getting tanned was fashion. You know, you have a nice golden. You know, you're naturally so. Your tan is awesome, but it's not good for health. I was looking for a nice. It's quite a coincidence. So one of the crew members from America, because these boys when they go out, they're used to going out. They play volleyball. They go to the beach. So since they were young, they're used to. You know, it's not like India. Tu sunscreen pehanta hai? You are not a boy. It's not like that. They used to, because they're so sporty and they're so outdoor in their lifestyle. They use sunscreen.
You need something that's going to keep, you know, that's going to stay on, and also it's not going to take very long to go on. So a lot of times, I think in the earlier days, sunscreen in most brands, you know, you put it on and you're supposed to stay, you know, wait for at least 20-25 minutes until you can step out in the sun. But what I found with Nivea is the fantastic effect that you put it on and you can get out there immediately, which works. So just using things that are gentle on your skin, and I truly believe things that are gentle on the planet are really actually good for you. So, you know, if you can stick with products that really put a lot of time and effort into the research, you know, that it's not just about getting another product out there, and also going in for a name that you can trust. But sun protection really boils down to hydrating and putting on something that is going to protect your skin. And I think all of us, no matter what the age, really need to start doing that.
Actually, Nivea Sun pioneer है sun protection में. अगर देखा जाए, ये actually मुझे पता नहीं था कि 1936 में ये product launch हुआ था. तो it's a trusted brand. It's a brand that's been around for so long. तो अगर आप सन प्रोटेक्शन फैक्टर SPF की बात करें, SPF जो है, जो हर सनस्क्रीन के बॉटल पर लिखा जाता है, SPF का जो ये टर्म है, इट हैज़ बीन कॉइंड बाय निविया. तो a company, a brand that has coined the term SPF is the one that I think you can trust because it's been around for so long.
I really like the brand Nivea because it's one of the trusted brands. It's been there for ages. बहुत सालों से है, और हमारे सबके घर में नेविया क्रीम तो ग्रैंडमदर के टाइम से है. So I just feel it's a really great brand to be associated with because it's so light and non-greasy, which is really important in a climate like India, you know. And you don't want to really think about it the whole day. So, you know, you just slap it on and it's there and it's perfect.
Nivea has been a fantastic product to have around. It's been around for more than 100 years, and all of us, I'm pretty sure, have used Nivea at some point of time in our lives. तो ये कोई बहुत नई product या नई brand launch नहीं हो रही है, but yes, they're bringing out a fantastic product in the market जो फिलहाल हमारे weather conditions के लिए बहुत ही एक अहम और important product है. एक sunscreen है which you can use on your face and your body. It's an immediate sunscreen. It's put on and go, so it's convenient, and I'm very happy to be associated with it.